Hey traders, I just want to take this opportunity to explain a little bit about Tesla's stock split that's happening today and how it's such a good opportunity to day trade with. Not necessarily buy and hold, although you could do that. They're having a 5-to-1 stock split, but kind of the psychology behind why it might be a good idea to day trade today. As you can see from the previous day, which was Thursday the 20th, to today, Friday the 21st, you see about a gap up of just above 2%. So likely that Tesla stock will move higher. We don't know by how much, but likely it'll move higher throughout the day just because people are anxious to get that 5-to-1 stock split. So the price is naturally going to press higher, along with the fact that they're gapping up for the day. So I was interested in any bounces that were occurring. So I didn't want to short the stock at all. I want to look for long positions, meaning you buy low and sell high. If you don't know what shorting is, it's basically you buy high and sell low, and you make money as the price goes down, believe it or not. That's another subject for another day if you're not familiar. But I just want to do two things in this video. One is to review what I wanted to do this today, but I didn't because I was a little bit chicken, and kind of what Tesla and the stock split means in a day trade scenario, like I just explained. But also, two, is to review the True Trader course and kind of mentorship that you might have seen video ads for. I'll have a review of that in the top right corner. I started with True Trader as a complete newbie to trading in April, and I started trading live trading about 2 months after that without knowing anything about stock trading, and it's been great so far. So I'm sure you've seen Dan's videos everywhere else around YouTube and on the internet, and you might have clicked through them and ignored them, or maybe you watched the webinar, but I give an honest review in my card there. And then I decided to be affiliated with them because I wanted to share some knowledge that I've gained as a beginner, and also an indicator, an alert indicator for TradingView, which is a mobile platform. So the alert indicator actually will tell you when to buy and sell or short, go long or go short, according to the True Trader strategy, which they teach you in the course. So at Tesla today, I was looking to go for long positions, right? So any kind of buy any dips that go up. And so I was ignoring the shorts, but here the first long was at 7:03 West Coast Pacific time. And you can see perfect 7:03. This would alert me before the low hit, so it would alert me right about there. And I would have bought somewhere around here. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line to show you where I would have purchased it. And then my target usually is about a 50% retracement from the high to the low. So we're looking at about $32. So it would have been about a $15 retracement. My first exit would have been here for $15. Now, $15 is a lot, but it is a highly priced stock, so I couldn't buy a lot. Even if you bought 10 shares for 20 grand and held it for just a few minutes, that's $150 easy on a pretty solid stock that's bound to go up for the rest of the day. So I would have sold most of my position here at my initial target, and I would have held for the rest of the day until it consolidated or until it came down and I broke even. But I knew it was going to go to it could go pretty high today, so I would have left a good portion in, maybe half or three-quarter or a quarter in position. So if we look out throughout the day, there was a consolidation point. It did come down a little bit, right? But I would have held to my plan, and then it did start rising and consolidating at the end of the day, and had this slow uptrend up. And we kind of see on the 5-minute right here that. And this is better to look at higher time frames later on in the day if you're looking for your second exit like this. And coming at this point and coming down and kind of seeing resistance at this area, I would say, okay, well, once it meets this high again, I'd be really interested in setting my stop right there. So eventually it would have came up here, and then I would probably would have got stopped out at 2091, which would have been an awesome 62 points or so, or 63 points. So that's exactly how I would have played it, and I would have used my custom alerts, which I give to you for free when you sign up for TrueTrader. Again, all disclosure, I get paid a commission on that. So take my review and everything with a grain of salt, but I mean, I've been there since April. I share my trades at the end of the day in my channel, so you can check that out and review for yourself. But my main thing was I wanted to come out of quarantine with a skill, and day trading was one of them. So when quarantine started, I just started trading and using TrueTrader so I could avoid all the beginner mistakes that I knew happened in 95% of traders. I didn't want to be that statistic. So have a great day, and look forward to maybe seeing you in the TrueTrader chat room. Take care. Bye.